Right, just got to clean the crank because it's smothered, and we'll drop that in. Right, here we go. Have a nab or 2 tea oil. Just on the crank here. Because obviously that's what's going to go into the seal. So have the crank like that, so it's on its shortest distance, and then you can drop it in. Right, here we go then. Right, this gasket only goes on one way, and this little lump here points towards the cylinder. Best of all, if you put it the other way, it only goes one way, so you have to make sure, yeah, that you've got it down. So what I would do is just check, stick it on the bolts, check to make sure all the lot holes are lined up. Yeah, sweet. Obviously this is very important, this seal, because any air getting into the combustion into there, it's going to weaken the mixture, and if it weakens the mixture, then you're going to have piston burnout and all sorts. So always use a good quality sealant. Right. And then obviously you normally would change the seals, but since I've only just done that, I don't need to do it again. Right. Just torque these down. Right. Now, there's 2 marks on there. That's the timing mark. Put the flywheel out. And apparently, oh, there we go. So, there we go. So just leave them loose. So it can be moved. Drop the flywheel on. Cool, isn't it? Let me move right round.